Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to set up Zelle with your Chase account in 2025. If you're tired of dealing with slow bank transfers, Zelle is a game changer. It's fast, secure, and integrates seamlessly with Chase for sending money to friends and family in minutes. Whether you're splitting a bill or paying a friend back, this setup will save you time. First off, make sure you have a Chase bank account and the latest Chase mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, head to your app store and install it now. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your Chase username and password. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. After logging in, tap on the Pay and Transfer tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your payment options live. Step 2. Look for the Zelle option. It's usually right there, but if it's not, search for it in the app's search bar. Chase has made this super straightforward for 2025 updates. Step 3. If you're setting it up for the first time, you'll be prompted to enroll. Tap on Get Started with Zelle and follow the on-screen instructions to link your email or phone number. Make sure it's the one you want to use for transactions. Step 4. Verify your identity. Chase might ask for a code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye on your inbox or messages. This step ensures everything stays safe. Step 5. Once verified, you can set up a PIN for added security or confirm your default funding source, like your Chase checking account. And just like that, you're all set. One quick tip for 2025. Always check for app updates, as Chase might have new features or enhanced security measures. If you run into any hiccups, head to the Chase Help Center or contact support. They're pretty responsive. Setting this up will make your money transfers a breeze, so give it a try today. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.